Applying for an immigration visa to Canada and a job visa involves several steps and can be a complex process. Here is a step-by-step procedure to help you understand the general process. Please note that the specific requirements and procedures may vary depending on the type of visa you are applying for and your individual circumstances. It is recommended to consult the official website of Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, for the most up-to-date and accurate information. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. 1. Check if you meet the eligibility criteria for immigration to Canada. 1. You may consider programs such as Express Entry, Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs, or Family Sponsorship, depending on your qualifications and circumstances. 2. Determine if you qualify for a job visa, such as a work permit or a temporary resident visa, TRV, based on your job offer, skills, and the labor market impact. Step 2. Research and gather required documents. 1. Research the specific requirements for the immigration program or job visa you are interested in. 1. The IRCC website provides detailed information on the documents you will need to submit. 2. Common documents include passport, educational certificates, language test results, for example, IELTS, proof of work experience, police clearance certificate, and medical examination results. 3. Ensure your documents are valid, translated if necessary, and meet the specific format requirements. Step 3. Create an online account. 1. Visit the IRCC website and create an online account. 1. This will allow you to submit your application electronically, track its progress, and communicate with the immigration authorities. Step 4. Submit your application. 1. Complete the application form online and submit it along with the required documents. 1. Pay the application fees as applicable. 2. Ensure that you provide accurate and truthful information in your application to avoid any delays or complications. Step 5. Wait for the processing of your application. 1. The processing time can vary depending on the type of visa and the workload of the immigration authorities. 1. You can check the estimated processing times on the IRCC website. 2. During this period, the immigration authorities may request additional documents or schedule an interview if needed. Step 6. Medical examination and police clearance. 1. In some cases, you may be required to undergo a medical examination by a designated physician to assess your health. 1. The IRCC will provide instructions on how to complete this process. 2. You may also need to obtain a police clearance certificate from your home country or any other country where you have lived for a significant period. Step 7. Receive a decision on your application. 1. Once your application is processed, you will receive a decision from the immigration authorities. 1. If approved, you will receive your immigration visa or job visa. Step 8. Travel to Canada and/or start working. 1. If you have been granted an immigration visa, you can make plans to travel to Canada. 1. Ensure that you understand the entry requirements and any quarantine or COVID-19 related protocols in place. 2. If you have obtained a job visa, you can begin the process of relocating to Canada and commencing your employment. It's important to note that the process may vary depending on the visa category and the specific circumstances of each applicant. It is advisable to consult the official IRCC website or seek assistance from a qualified immigration professional for personalized guidance throughout the application process.
If you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.